Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a rule in Outlook. So for this tutorial you have to go first on your Outlook, then create a folder from inbox or anywhere. Okay, now choose inbox, then right click on it and go for new folder, and I will type here Google because I'll rule on this Google emails. So go for OK. Now you can see there is a new folder here. So click on Google email here and you can right click on it and you can do rules from here, or select Google email, then you can rules from here, then go for create rule. You have to check from Google, then check move the items to folder, then select Gmail, Google here, then go for OK, then OK again. Then you have to check run this rule now on message already in the current folder. Check it, then go for OK. So you can see in this Google folder all the Google emails are here. So guys, this is how you can create a rule in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.